Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to unbox this Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. This is, I believe, the deluxe, which is the medium size. These boxes actually were available on January 31st, I think. Yes, January 31st. And this is the Valentine's Day theme for the year of 2020. I actually have an unboxing on last year's Valentine's Day mystery box. If you are curious to see what was on last year's mystery box, I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below so you can go watch it after you watch this video. And today I have a special guest. Say hi. Today's Ali's birthday. She's 2 years old. My big little girl. You want some lipstick? No, you can't have lipstick, baby. Is my box is quite big, so I'm really excited to see what I have in there. I haven't seen anything yet, so I am super excited. I've been waiting all day long to open this box, so I'm finally gonna open it now. And if you want to see what I got in my box, just keep watching. Oh my gosh, so the very first thing that I see here is this hat, pink hat. It's so pretty. This is so perfect for the summer. I actually like wearing hats, especially when I go outside and it's very sunny. This is gonna look so cute. It is pink with the Jeffree Star logo in there. And how's that look? I love it. It fits so perfect. It actually has this on the back that you can adjust the size. I'm actually surprised that it fits me because I have a pretty big head. But this is so cute. The next thing is this t-shirt, and I love black. So here's the t-shirt. In here is just black with this heart with the Jeffree Star logo in there, and on the back it has this super cute design. And I love this. I'm gonna be wearing this with this hat all summer long because I love t-shirts like this. They're so comfy with shorts. The next thing is this, and let's see what it is. Oh my god, it is the mini breaker palette. I didn't have this and I am so excited. So this is what the palette looks like on the outside. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, these shadows are so beautiful. I can't wait to play with this palette. It is so gorgeous. Oh my god, these colors are so pretty. Oh my god, I cannot wait to make a video using this palette, and stay tuned. I'm gonna post a tutorial with a look using this palette. It is so beautiful. Okay, the next thing is another big package, very nicely wrapped in this like golden tissue paper. This is the 24 karat highlighting palette, and I did not have this before, so I am super excited to have this. Oh my god, the packaging is so beautiful. Look how gorgeous. Oh wow. These shades are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're actually a little bit too dark for me. I am very pale, very pale. Doesn't matter if I do self-tan, I am very pale, but I feel like I can use these as eyeshadows. They look gorgeous. They're probably gonna look amazing as eyeshadows. Next thing that I got is this pack of straws. These are in green. So it is a pack of 4. It comes with 3 bent straws and 1 straight one, and then a brush to clean it out. And I see myself using this all the time. I love straws with my drinks, but I'm trying to be more environmentally conscious and not using the plastic straws, so having these reusable straws is always a good thing. Next thing is this velour liquid lipstick, and I believe this one, it's like a an exclusive shade because it has that question mark right there, so I don't know what the name is. Oh wow, this is such a gorgeous color. Look, that is really nice. So it doesn't really have a name. This color is actually very pretty. I don't know how to describe it. This is like a it's like a berry with some shimmer. I think it's like a metallic shade. Let me swatch it. But yeah, this is a metallic, really beautiful shade. It is like a metallic berry, red wine, berry-ish shade. I'm not a fan of metallics, but I feel like this will look really nice on your lid because these can actually be used on your eyes. They're safe for eyes, so I'm going to try it out on my lids or try to do like a liner with these, and it's probably gonna look very nice and unique. The next thing, and I am so excited about it because I don't have one and I've been wanting to try it out, it is the gloss, and this one is in the shade Legends Only. Oh my god, the packaging is, this is so beautiful. It looks better in person than it looks in pictures and videos. It looks so amazing. It smells really good too. This is basically just like a clear gloss, which is very nice because you can use it on like many different colors on top of many different other colors. It's just clear. I'm actually gonna try it out right now. Let me see. I just want to know how it feels. Oh, it actually has like a milky kind of shade, but once you blend it out, it completely disappears, and it actually feels very nice. It doesn't feel super sticky, which I like. That's very nice. It feels very comfortable. It feels like it will hydrate my lips a lot. So I'm very excited about that. The last thing in the box is another box right here, and these are the boxes where the mirrors come. So I'm very excited. Oh my gosh, I need to open this. These mirrors are just so beautiful. I love them. I actually have a black one and a lavender. So now I have 3 and another one for my collection. I can't wait to get more. I actually want to collect all of them, but I'm trying, but I'm trying also to be good with saving money, so I'm excited that I can get one in one of these boxes. Yes, I love everything. Oh my god, this box was amazing. I love it. This has been my favorite box so far. Oh my god, everything was so good. Let me know in the comments if you got one of these boxes and what you got in yours, and if you liked it, if you didn't. Let me know. I want to know. I'm very curious to know. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button and ringing the notification bell so you can see when I upload new videos. Stay tuned because I'm going to post a tutorial using that mini breaker palette. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.